bought an RV. Here it is. Look at that. I have the windows backwards. Damn it. Alright, what's up? So, I made a big purchase. I bought an RV. You know, motorhome, recreational vehicle. I got one. Finally got one. I've always wanted one. Got it from Target. You know, I was just walking around Target and I saw it on sale. And here it is. Yeah, not a real RV. Yeah, it's just a Lego set RV. I saw it on sale for like 10 bucks, I think, something like that. And I was like, I'm buying that. I think RVs are cool. And I can't afford one right now. So I bought one. Just putting together a Lego RV. Nothing more, nothing less. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we got everything down here on the table. I already put the stickers on for the parts, just to kind of save some time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on these. I got my instructions here. So let's do this. I look like a woman. Whoa, what the hell? Okay. What the hell? Okay. I did not realize it had two faces. Oh, because the wig covers the back. She got a baby. Got a baby carrier right here. Then the baby goes in the carrier. And then mama got to hold the bottle of milk. Boom. Right there. So that's the mother. Put you right there. Let's go get the husband, father. Alright, so now we're finally getting to the actual vehicle. Because I'm going to need the long gray piece. So yeah, I used to play with Legos all the time when I was little. We used to have the big bucket of just random pieces. Always had fun with that. You know, I didn't really have a whole lot of these, you know, kits. You know, this is on sale. It looked kind of cool, so I got it. Okay, I need the red piece. Okay, I need more. These are wheel attachments. Starting to look like a car chassis now, right? More wheels, and then the frame. But yeah, it just brings back memories playing with Legos. These kits are so cool, because like, you know, they're legit. You saw the picture of the motorhome, right? Although, not a whole lot of creativity, at least not on my part, going on here. So. Looking more and more like a car, ain't it? And the autofocus on my M50 is really not great, is it? Just guessing they all go where the axles are. Duplicate that here on the right side. And then I already put the other fenders up here. Here, 4 and 6. So we got a middle piece right here. There is something special about playing with Legos, though. Even as an adult. You're never too old to play with Legos. Before we get to this part, it's definitely starting to come together. Okay. So I need this guy, and we're making like the stove, not a stove. What is this? Like a coffee maker? Yeah, no. Coffee maker, soda. And this just goes into the motorhome itself. Okay, cool. Just like that. Okay, now we're putting in the interior. We got this guy. Then I get 2 seats. Seats, boom, getting there, almost there, and we get to put in the indicator lights. Boom. Looks like for now that's it for this part. We're gonna move to the roof, or as I called it. So we had a little bit of a camper van actually. They had a bubble top, and you could store stuff there, but you could also sleep up there. So I always called it the sleeping upstairs. I know, don't judge. Don't make sense. Sleeping upstairs. Okay, I guess we're still working on this. We go right behind the seat. Okay, boom, like that. And now we're working on the rear number plate. Already put the sticker on right there. 2 windows. Boom. Big window. And then we put this guy here to cover the back part of the wall. Now we're creating the pop out. So we'll put this down. Then big window. And then the moving piece here. Actually, it's probably gonna be like this. And I have the windows backwards. Or do I? Oh no, we're good, we're good. I have the windows backwards. Damn it. Wait a minute. Crap. No, I had the wall correct. I have the windows wrong. Shoot. Now we can put this onto the motorhome itself. So go here like this. And see, it's a pop out. And now we're caught up. Okay. I was like, what? Something's not matching up here. Look better? Okay, now we can put in the driver doors. Okay. Boom, shaka. Starting to look better. Alright, now we put the hood. There we go. The windshield, which is there. Side beamers are on. Next, my favorite part. The sleeping upstairs. Need this long part here. Lights. Boom. Boom. Looks like we put it on to the motorhome. Alright. Boom. Looks like we are almost there. Boom. And you go up here. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, but yeah, this thing comes off really easily, so you can go ahead and stick the people inside the RV. Really, where does this? Oh, that's where that goes. I was like, there's got to be, yeah, there's got to be. Okay, well, let's put the dude in the driver's seat. He is driving, he's enjoying the open road. And then for the mother, see a problem? I guess we could just have her stand inside the RV. Let's do that. Just like that. like this stove setup like goes on the outside anyway, so I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in the sleeping upstairs, because you're not sleeping in the sleeping upstairs. It's a upstairs storage. Okay, so we have all of our extra pieces here in storage. And we have the propane tank up here. We're gonna close up the sleeping upstairs. I don't like how there's a gap there. I'm gonna modify this. Builder's prerogative. I'm going to put this here. And maybe when I go to Lego store, I'll find another one of these smooth pieces. Put it here. That's pretty much it. Look at that. Yep. Dude driving the motorhome. Open it up. You see the mama and her baby. We got the drinks. We got the donuts. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. So, really quick video, hopefully, probably not because I was talking building a Lego motorhome from Target. Alright, that was it. And with that, catch you all on the flip.